They have sent the next load. It's a good one, y'all. We're going to the Walmart DC in Williamsburg, VA to pick up. And that load is going to Marcy, New York. All right, y'all, just checked in. We got an easy pickup, y'all. Be back. What's up, YouTube? It's Dominique and I am back again with another video. Guys, we got snowed in last night. It was bad. Like, I tried to push through, but by the time it got dark, it got worse. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna have to go shut down. My intent was to drive on it all day yesterday. We knocked 5 hours out yesterday, y'all. And I only had 4 left, and I was trying to push through. But like I said, the weather got really bad, and yeah, I basically got stuck in PA. They've been clearing the road, so hopefully I can make it these next 4 hours and get this load there without having to shut back down. Y'all, we made it. It is 12:35. I'm next in line to check in to see where I gotta drop the trailer at. But y'all, a long 4 hours. But everything was all the snowplow trucks was out, so I ain't had no issues with the snow. Alright, y'all, we dropping the... Ooh, look at all that. That is nasty. The water came out of this thing. Mud water, it too. Ugh. We dropping our load, y'all.
Next day.
Good morning, guys. I thought I was about to go somewhere, but it looks like it ain't happening. So we are literally stuck in the snow, y'all. After we dropped the Walmart load yesterday, I came and shut down because the other load they had sent me, that place actually closed at 12. So I had from 6 a.m. to 12 to go get loaded, but by the time I dropped the Walmart load off, it was after 12, so I couldn't go get loaded. And I was up getting ready to head to that place this morning, and yeah, we literally stuck in the snow, y'all. I just got the phone with On Road, and they are sending somebody out here to pull me out. Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much for your patience in waiting. I do have Poland Truck Center out of Weedsport set up for service. They're going to come out to you in about an hour, hour and a half.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're very welcome. Once that is complete, you can send in the macro 55 or give us a call and we'll take you out of shop status. Is there anything else before I let you go?
No, that's all.
All right. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.
All right, thank you, too. I tried pouring hot water around my dry tires to see if it'll work. Empty. Yeah, because it ain't got no weight. Glad I did use crazy. I locked my wheels. I mean, I didn't try whatever I could try, y'all, and it's just not moving. And it's because I'm empty. To all my new drivers, this is something y'all can learn from, because I was shut down. I think it was over 15 hours, and it's like y'all seen it's like 19, 20 degrees, right? And so by me sitting here all night like that, I never moved my truck. What this man was telling me is next time I get in a situation like this, like just through the day or night, if I'm gonna be sitting a long time, just focus on starting my truck up and just pulling back and forth. So hopefully I won't get stuck. But being that I am empty, like I said, it makes it harder for the truck to move because, you know, it don't have no weight on it. So he is here to pull me out. All right, y'all, we are out. So I should be good, like if I'm gonna sit here like 30 more minutes, or should I just like go ahead and pull out?
If anything, I would pull up to like not even like going down. I mean, you should be fine. Okay. But a spot going downhill, or even that driveway going out, okay, park up there. Gotcha. Okay. It's way more clear. Okay. Up there. realistically, you should be fine.
Okay. Y'all, I about forgot where we left off at. It's been 2 days, and they had to get me up out of New York, y'all. Upstate New York. The day he came and pulled me out the snow, y'all, it got the icing so bad that night, and I basically had to shut back down. I'm in Jersey at the Avondale terminal, y'all. My windshield wiper had stopped working from the snow, so I had to get them to fix my wiper. Thank God that it wasn't the motor or nothing. It just my nut or something had to be tightened in order for it to get my wiper back working. But he was like, yeah, if it's your motor, you're gonna have to sit and wait because we're gonna have to order it, Y'all, it wasn't that, because I was just like, oh my God, here we go again. But yeah, so that's ready, and currently I've been waiting for them to send me a trailer solution, so because I don't have an empty trailer. I gotta drive almost 2 hours to go pick up this trailer. My next load is a really, really great load. It's like 900 miles. I'm gonna pick that up today. The load doesn't have to be dropped till Friday. So this is gonna be our New Year load. We're bringing the New Year good with these miles or whatever. But just get ready for the next video. Thank y'all for watching this one. Don't forget to drop a like, comment if you're new, hit that subscribe button.